Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Morning everyone and welcome to my presentation. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Haryanda Pratama and my partner
Maria Putri Anjani. What is CPU? The CPU, Central Processing Unit, is the brain of the computer that carries out instruction, processes data, and controls hardware. The main functions are 1. Instruction execution, execute, read, translate, and execute commands. 2. Arithmetic and logic operation, performed by ALU, Arithmetic Logic Unit. 3. Operation control by Control Unit CU. 4. Temporary data stored using regis and change. Main component of CPU. 1. ALU, Arithmetic Logic Unit. Function: perform arithmetic operation, addition, subtraction, and then logical operation and or not. Role: manage mathematical calculation and logic decision making. 2. CU, control unit. Function: control is the flow of data and instruction within the CPU. Role: direct CPU operation, organizes communication with other devices, and synchronous work between components. 3. Register. Function: high speed temporary data stored in the CPU. Types of register: program counter or PC, store the address of the next instruction register. ER stores the instruction currently being processed. Accumulator IC stores temporary result of ALU operation. Next,
CPU works. Di sini ada yang pertama itu input. Dari input data menuju ke RAM atau main memory. Dari main memory kita menuju change. Nah, change ini bisa digunakan atau bisa juga tidak digunakan. Nah, kalau misalnya tidak digunakan, dari RAM memory itu langsung menuju ke control unit. Di control unit menuju ke ALU, data itu diolah dari bahasa manusia menjadi bahasa mesin, lalu menuju ke register. Dari register kita menuju lagi ke control unit. Jadi control unit itu seperti pintu masuk keluar dan masuknya data, lalu menuju lagi ke main memory, lalu menuju output. CPU function. Role of CPU in computer system: instruction execution, processing commands from the program, data management, reading and writing data to memory, logical operation, process basic logic such as comparison, component synchronization, organize data flow.
ALU, Arithmetic and Logic Unit. ALU, Arithmetic Logic Unit, is an essential component in computer central processing unit (CPU) that is responsible for performing arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, and logical operations such as and or not and comparison on data. The ALU receives two data inputs and then perform operation according to the instruction given. Production output that is then sent to other parts of the system for further processing. That the ALU is an integral part of almost all modern computer systems. How does ALU work? In order for the ALU to be able to perform arithmetic and logic process, the ALU data input must be 2, each called into x, xo, x1, xn, n1, and input y, yo, y1, yn1. Ini ada contoh ALU arithmetic and logic unit. Ini IB ini input, sub add or ini terus ada move, construct, and result select mark. Untuk outputnya ada OC sama IOP. Control unit atau CU function control the flow of data and instruction with the CPU. Retrieve instruction from memory and translate them into control signal for the ALU and register. Organize sequential program execution. CPU work process 1. Fetch instruction from memory. 2. Decode instruction. 3. Send control signal from execution.
Register function store temporary data needed by the CPU when processing instruction. Available in various types such as 1. Program counter PC, store the address of the next instruction. 2. Accumulator, store temporary result of ALU operation. 3. Instruction register ER, store the instruction currently being processed. General purpose register, used to store other temporary data. Register in CPU have two functions. 1. User visible register. It is a register that can be referenced using machine language that is executed by the CPU. 2. Control and status register is a register used by the control unit to control CPU operation by system program to control program execution. User visible register, general purpose, can contain any operand of code. Data can only be used to store data. Address can be used for certain rescue mode. Condition codes, flag, bit that the CPU hardware sets as a result of an operation. Instruction execution process. Instruction execution steps. Fetch, CPU fetch instruction from memory. Decode, CU analyze instruction and send control signal. 3. Execute, the ALU or other component carries out the instruction. Store, the execution result are stored in a register or memory.
CPU types 1. Single core CPU has one processing core. 2. Multi-core CPU has multiple processing cores allowing parallel execute of tasks. 3. CPU system with hyper-threading use technology to make its CPU core look like two core to improve performance.
Faktor affecting CPU performance. Faktor affecting CPU performance. Clock speed measures the speed at which the CPU executes interaction. Number of core. The more core, the more tests can be run in parallel. Cache size large charge can improve CPU performance by reducing data access time. Process technology. Semiconductor fabrication technology affects CPU efficiency and power consumption. Thank you.